take motor and pump supervision to new levels with the intelligent VLT AQUA Drive. Integrated condition-based monitoring lets you react quickly to critical situations like clogging, leaks, motor winding failure, vibration wear, mechanical misalignments, and wear-outs. The intelligent drive monitors the condition of the system using real-life data taken at all speeds throughout the operating cycle, creating a baseline of optimal drive performance measured locally in the pumping station. In the case of a significant deviation from the baseline, the system alerts the user, preempting critical situations requiring costly call-outs or unplanned downtime. Maintenance actions can then be timed to align with scheduled services to reduce downtime. You can choose to store data either in the cloud or on-premises in local data storage. Condition-based monitoring gives you trouble-free operation for maximum uptime and reduced installation costs, even on existing systems. Danfoss VLT AQUA Drive for a masterclass performance.